Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your tech accessory store. For example, you are the owner of any tech accessory store and you want to share the details regarding the offers and the gadgets you are offering to your customer. Sending each and every customer manually is a quite difficult and time-consuming task. To get rid of this type of problems, we can create a WhatsApp chatbot without requiring any coding skill. Yes, it is possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your tech accessory store, let me give you a quick review about how our chatbot will work. So basically this is the chat flow we are going to create in this video. Now I'll show you how it will work by sending hi messages to my WhatsApp business account of tech accessory store. Here you can see it will respond me automatically. Welcome to the Pabbly Tech store. It will provide me different option also. The one is price and discount, the second is return policy, and the third is warranty information. I'll click on price and discount. Then it will provide me the information regarding the prices and the discount that they will provide to us. Basically, this is how our chatbot will work. So let's get started. At the end of the video, you can easily create this type of chatbots for your all type of tech accessory store. Now you can click on new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. You are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user then you can go for sign up option. As if you are an existing user then you can go in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. After this, here you can see there are the different types of app that Pabbly provides to us. We are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the column Pabbly Chatflow by clicking Access Now button. Here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see a message credit allot, a message credit consumed, the message credit remaining, and the number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, we will create a separate video for this. I'll provide that link in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in which you can store all the messages and the conversation with your customer. The third one is the contacts. The fourth is the queue. Fifth is the templates, where you can create multiple templates. It is just like a pre-approved template. It is used for the conversation which was started by yourself. Sixth one is the broadcast, in which you can send multiple bulk messages to your customer. And the seventh one is the flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder. The ninth one is the AI assistant, which can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and engage prospects effortlessly. Here we can also provide the video of how to use AI. The 10th one is the settings and the last one is the help. Now we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on the flow button. After this, you are landed on the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot. On the right hand side you can see one button is given, that is add flow button. By clicking this button, you can create your WhatsApp chatbot. Now this is the starting point of creating a WhatsApp chatbot. First you have to give the name to your bot, that what you are creating. As we are creating a tech accessory store, I am giving the name tech accessory store. Here I'll give the name. Now we will start. Before starting of creating the chatbot, let me give you a quick review about these buttons. On the left hand side, the one button is messages and the another is action. Under these you can see different types of buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the flow. Now we will start. Here you can see the three trigger points of your flow. The first is keyword, the second is regex, and the third is the template. Keywords are the manually entered words that you expect that your customer send to you. Regex can identify specific types of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the template, in which you can create any type of templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. So let's get started. In this video, we will create a store with the help of manually entered keywords. So I am entering some keywords. Now here I provided some keywords to my flow. After this, I am adding a welcome message for my customer. Here on the left hand side, you can see one option, the text button. After clicking this button, it will provide you a message box in where I can write a welcome message for my customers. Here I write it. After that, I am connecting this circle, drag a line and connect this to this circle. Here my flow is connected with my message. Whenever my customer is sending me this type of keywords, then my bot will respond to them like this. Here it will also provide me option in which we can add multiple buttons according to your choice. Here I am adding some buttons for my customer by clicking this button. It will providing me an enter text box in where I can write some buttons. The first button I take it as price and discount. Second button I take as return policy, and the third button I take as warranty information. Now here, what if my customer wants to know the price and the discount details which I am providing to them? Then they will click on this button. Now for further process, I am taking one another button. Here it will provide me one another box. I am dragging this here and entering the price and discount that I am providing to my customer. Here I provided price and discounts about my gadget that I am providing. After this, I am connecting the circle which are present in front of price and discount, drag a line and connect to this circle. Here it is connected with each other. Always remember, after each and every process, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your progress will be updated. Now, what if my customer wants to know about the return policy of my tech accessory store? Then for this, I am also providing the details about the return policy of my store by adding one another button, text button, drag this here and writing about the return policy of my store. Here I write it about the return policy of my store. Now I am connecting the circle which are present in front of return policy, drag the line and connect this line to here. Now it is connected with this message also. After this, what if my customer wants to know about the warranty information regarding my tech store? Then my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding another button, drag this here and writing the warranty information regarding my tech accessory store. So here I write it about the warranty information of my tech accessory store. After this, I am connecting the circle, drag a line to this circle. Here, this is the flow we have created for tech accessory store. Now I'll show you how it will work. By sending hi message to my WhatsApp business number of tech accessory store. Here I am sending message hi. Instead of hi, I can take any manually entered keywords from here such as hi, hello, good morning, tech. Then my bot will respond me to the same. See, welcome to the Pabbly Tech Store. If I want to know the return policy, then I'll click on the option return policy. It will provide me the details here which I wrote in the chat flow. So basically this is how our chatbot will work. It will give instant response to the customer regarding any information. With the help of this video, you can easily create a WhatsApp chatbot for your tech accessory store.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.